Welcome students in online classes of biology. Students, yesterday we have studied about some double membranous cytoplasmic organelles. Do you remember what are they? They are nucleus and mitochondria. Of course, nucleus was firstly invented by Robert Brown, and inside the nucleus, nucleolus is present, in which the nucleoplasm are in concentrated form. Clear? And inside mitochondria, we have seen in yesterday's video that inside mitochondria there are finger-like projections which are known as cristae. Upon the surface of cristae, matchstick-like structures are present which are known as oxysome. These oxysomes are the actual site for oxidation of glucose. So, the actual site of releasing energy from glucose is what? Oxysomes. Clear? Now, today I am going to discuss two new cytoplasmic organelles. Number one, endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Come to endoplasmic reticulum. Remember structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This is nucleus. I think all of you remember about nucleus. The outer membrane of nucleus is having pores which are known as nucleopores, and these nucleopores sometimes attached with the tube-like structures which are known as endoplasmic reticulum. Do you remember? This is endoplasmic reticulum. इसको हम थोड़ा सा और बड़ा बनाते हैं, यहाँ पे इनलार्ज बनाते हैं जिससे आपकी समझ में आ जाए. चलिए, endoplasmic reticulum like this. इसको हम दूसरे तरीके से ड्रॉ करते हैं आपके समझने के लिए. जैसे ये ड्रॉ किया हुआ है ऐसे ही हम इधर करके ड्रॉ करते हैं. ये आपका हो गया आउटर न्यूक्लियर वॉल. आउटर न्यूक्लियर वॉल, endoplasmic reticulum attach with this outer nuclear wall. How they are attached here and what is the purpose of attachment? In actual, these endoplasmic reticulum sometimes they attach with the cell membrane also at outside. Here it is cell membrane. CM हम लिख दे रहे हैं, आप समझ जाइएगा. This is cell membrane. एंड यहाँ पे हम NM लिख दे रहे हैं. दिस मीन्स इट इज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, आउटर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, ONM. क्लियर? द पर्पस ऑफ endoplasmic reticulum situated over here is this: through this channel some materials which are present outside the cell membrane, they enter directly into the nucleus. So this endoplasmic reticulum makes a path, make a way for transport of materials from outside the cell to inside the nucleus directly. First thing. Second thing, this endoplasmic reticulum also allows some materials to go from inside the nucleus to outside the cell. Clear? This is the purpose of endoplasmic reticulum, to be situated here, joined with the outer nuclear membrane. सबकी समझ में आ रहा है? Now come to next. As you know, students, this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. When at the lower side of endoplasmic reticulum, few granule-like structures are present. नीचे वाले सरफेस पे ही होते हैं, इस बात को ध्यान दीजिएगा, अपर सरफेस पे नहीं होते. If ribosomes are present at the inner surface of endoplasmic reticulum, then such endoplasmic reticulum is called what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because on touch the lower surface of endoplasmic reticulum, it feels like rough. So this endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum, or RER. Okay, and when these ribosomes are absent from the surface of ER, then what happens? Then on touch there is feeling of smoothness on that surface. So such ER is known as SER, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? It doesn't means that ribosomes are always present at the surface of ER. ये दिमाग में मत रखिएगा कि राइबोसोम सिर्फ ER के सरफेस पे ही होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. Ribosomes may present independently, freely into the cytoplasm. It is not essential for ribosome to attach with ER. Clear? So sometimes these ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm also. They found in the cytoplasm also. Now come to ribosome. थोड़ा सा ribosomes के बारे में जान लेते हैं. Ribosomes are known as protein factory of living cell. Ribosomes are known as protein factory of living cell. Why? Because the basic function of ribosome is to synthesize protein inside the cell. Okay? These ribosomes, when they found freely into the cytoplasm, their basic function is to prepare protein, to synthesize protein. Clear? There is a special mechanism of synthesis of protein in our body. A special mechanism. Especially ribosomes are responsible for synthesis of the protein which is known as chromatin protein. Clear? And when synthesis of chromatin protein, when synthesis of genetic material is essential, do you know? Synthesis of protein or synthesis of protein inside the nucleus, inside the cell is essential at that time when the cell is going to divide. When any cell is going to divide, it is very essential for that cell to double its genetic material, that is double its DNA, double its chromosome. Because when a single cell divides into two, then the genetic material should go in both of cells. Because of this reason, firstly any living cell used to double its genetic material, which is made up of chromatin protein. So ribosomes are responsible for the same. Ribosomes are responsible for the synthesis of proteins inside the cell. Okay? So students, today we have discussed, today we have got knowledge about ER, types of ER, responsibilities of ER, and about ribosomes, where they are present, what is their function, all these things. Now in my next online video, you can observe about next cytoplasmic organelle, which is very important. This chapter is very important, class 9th. Okay? So revise the taught topic, revise about ribosome, revise about endoplasmic reticulum, revise about cytoplasmic organelles, which we are studying at present, for gaining maximum mark in your exam. Thank you, students.